नाही आज पहिले मग तिथे व्हिडिओ बरा होता. Guys, this is the sunset point in my village. The sunset is there. See how the water is flowing. I will go a bit closer. I will show you the water is flowing. And there is a little dam type. It's been made in which water is stored. You can see how beautifully the water is flowing here. It's just awesome to see. The view is also very beautiful. Now it's around 5:38 p.m. I'm here. So in this way the water is flowing, guys. And I will be showing you the sunset beautifully. Wow, what a view. See the coconut trees. These are the coconut trees. This is the point. See the monkeys. Woo! Wow. It's just awesome. The water is very clean. I will be showing you the water. See this water. How it is clean. And this is the sunset. And it's just amazing to watch, guys. So come here and enjoy the evening. Till then, take care. Bye bye.